everyone, this is a really short video on how to do a little stretch out for DIYers and gardeners. Okay, let's start with the wrists. We're going to take breath in and breathing out, breath in and breathing out, and keep going with this. The hands and wrists obviously are really important. Keep that breath going as you do this, breathing in and out. And we'll just do another one. And then I'd like you to take your thumbs, tuck them in, bring the fingers over and breathing in and out. Keep the breath going. It's very important you do the breath, breathing in and out. Breath in and out. Keep the circles going with the breathing in and out at the same time. This is really, really good. This is from a series of yoga series called Muktasana, or Air Releasing from the Joint series. It's really, really good. We'll do one more rotation with that breath, and then we're going to do the same, breathing in and out. Just go as far as you can while you're doing these lovely arm and hand breathing in and out exercises. Breath in and out. Breathing in and out. Just keep that going a few more times. It's recommended you do each of these 10 times. This is just a general explanation video. Just one more of these, and then we're going to just go into a rest pose. Breathing in and out. Breath in and out. And just really working through to using the breath in and out, working through to the shoulder blades. This is really, really good for the shoulder blades and the arms. We'll do one more of these, breath in and out, then taking the fingers, touching onto the shoulders, breathing in and out. Breath in and out. That's lovely, keep going with me. Obviously, with all of your gardening and DIY projects, it's something that we need to remain flexible so we can keep doing this in the next month or year or 10 years time. We want to be gardening when we're like 90-year-old. Breathing in and out, keeping going. Okay, one more. Breath in and out. And then just standing there for a moment, feeling that energy moving around the arms, the hands, wrists and shoulders. We'll just do a little bit with the neck, tuck the chin in. So just gently, if you're out, tuck the chin in. And then we're going to just take a breath in, turn gently to the left or right, breathing out, breathing into the other side, breathing out, breathing into the other side, breathing out. And just keep that breath in and out motion going from side to side, breathing in and out. Breath in and out, breathing in and out. Last one, breath in and out. And then taking the arm across, we're going to bring this one around to the side, then breathing in and on out breath, really bring that arm close into the chest. Keep the elbow locked gently, don't bend the elbow, so the arm is straight across horizontally. We're holding that there for a moment. This is a really, really good shoulder stretch. You will be feeling it. Only stretch as far as you feel comfortable. Okay, holding that there. That is within around no more than 80% of your capacity. As a yoga teacher, it doesn't matter how far you stretch, it's how deep you stretch and allowing yourself that 20% leeway. You can feel it when that stiffness comes. Breathing in and on out breath, always working with the breath. So really feel that. You'll even feel that across the chest muscles as well and around the back, the shoulder and the shoulder compartment. I'm going to do the other arm now, raising it up. Take this one around. Keep the elbow locked, gently breathing in and on out breath. Bring that arm across. Okay, holding that there. Just be with that, with breath. Some people may find this a little bit uncomfortable. Just even if it's slightly out, you know, you don't have to worry. Just holding that there. Being with the breath. Breathing in and out. holding it a little while longer. And I'm going to take that breath in and breathing out. Release those arms down. I'm going to do a shake out now. This is as a part of Dao In, which means self-massage. So we're shaking out the hands, just the hands very loose and floppy. Okay, so the hands are very, very loose and floppy. Relax the knees, relax the pelvis and the hips, and just keep going with those hands, relaxing them, shaking them. And then place down by the side of the body. Elbows nice and rolled out to the side. And then we're going to shake the entire arm. So allow the entire arm to shake out. We're coming up to nearly 5 minutes. All this takes is 5 minutes before you start. It's very quick. I want to keep this quick. We're going to go into the shoulders, shaking out the shoulders. And then shaking the entire body. We'll just do a few hip circles. Keeping the knees unlocked and relaxed. Just go around a few one way, a few circles one way, a few circles the other way, and just keep going with that. And then just standing there for a moment. Thank you for watching. This is Cara at Wise Roots. I hope you've enjoyed this DIY gardening stretch out yoga video. Bye.